What's up, divas? So this is going to be a really quick video. I have gotten to work, and as you can see, I have my mask on right now. Nobody's in the room with me, but I do have a meeting coming up shortly, and I left home. I don't know what's going on with my life that I've just had to do away with putting my makeup on. No, I know what happened. I am cooking my food at home now. I don't stop and get food like I used to. So right now I'm looking for my makeup bag that I keep in my purse. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do a 5-minute routine because I have a meeting coming up and I need to look presentable. So if you're anything like me and you're a busy mom and you work and you are no longer eating out in restaurants, this is the video for you. So I'm gonna do this hopefully I can do this in 5 minutes. I thought I would do maybe a 10-minute, but I don't think 10 minutes is actually going to work because I have a meeting in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pull my hair behind my ears just to kind of keep it out of the way. Now, because I'm on Zoom all day long and I'm wearing a mask most of the day, I don't like the fact that the heat gets on my face. The heat and the moisture, I feel like it breaks me out here. So I will not be putting makeup in this area because I'm covered anyway. Okay, so another thing that I can use is either my Fit Me foundation, which I'm probably not going to use today. I'm just going to use my concealer, okay, and I'm just going to cover underneath my eyes, and I hope to God I have my sponge because I do not want to use my I was supposed to put my timer on. I didn't put the timer on. I mean, look at that. I didn't even have time to put the timer on. All right. So I use my sponge. Some people I've seen use their fingers. I do not like using my fingers because I feel like it's gonna put more bacteria on my skin. So I do prefer to use a sponge when I do this. So this is just for the areas, for the most part, that are going to be covered. Now, of course, this does end up getting on my mask, but as you can see, I'm not putting it on this bottom area. I like a more natural look when I do makeup, especially when I'm at work. Okay, I do like to darken my eyes, and this is really cool. I do like it, and unfortunately, I cannot see it. I don't have my glasses out. Anyhow, I will leave the name of this in the description. I don't know if you can see it real good, and it's gonna kill my 5 minutes if I show you all the products. And I'm doing this actually based on what I'm seeing in the, I need my mirror. I need to be able to see. I don't know if you guys can really see good, but I like the, you know, the way it's made. So this will darken my eyebrows. Okay, we want to have some nice fierce eyebrows, so we do want to deepen those. Okay. Okay, did I get that?
Good morning, all staff. Please report to your morning host at this time. All staff, please report to your morning host at this time.
Okay, that one's not for me. I have a meeting in like 3 minutes. Okay, the next thing I like to do is I like to put on, and please don't tell me I don't have it. Okay, I really don't like, I like this one, but then I don't. This is an AM PM. I would prefer this in black, but I have it in brown. It darkens me enough, but not enough for my liking. I would prefer this to be, a black, but it's more of a brown. Okay, so I put that on my eyes. Eyes is very important, especially when you have your mask on. Okay, and I'm working with a very small mirror here, and I can't see that good. But this is what you do when you're busy and you have a time crunch. It's very difficult to get yourself made up, but at least make something up. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, it's dark. All right. Then I like to, what's the other thing that I like? Sometimes I put color on my eyes, but not often, especially when I'm in a crunch. Okay, the next thing that I do is put on a little mascara, if I can find my mascara. Okay, so finding this stuff is actually gonna ruin my time. Oh, here we go, here's my mascara. So this one, like I said, I will leave these in the description. Okay, the names of the products that I use, because I cannot see the names. And not everything is from a drugstore. Okay, so now I might put this on twice, but I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, so mostly everything is my eyebrows and my eyes for a very simple, clean look. But you know, you do have makeup on, very natural look, especially when you're having to wear a mask all day long. I do not want to have makeup, heat, moisture on my face. That's really gonna be a nice little recipe for a disaster. Okay, and oh, I just missed. Okay, and now since I'm gonna be on a Zoom call for my meeting, I'm just gonna put on, I got this one from Ulta, just a little bit of tinted. I actually, you know what, I'm not gonna use that one. That's not my favorite. This one is my favorite actually. I believe I got this one from Ulta. Okay, so just moisten my lips a little. Succulent lips. Okay, and okay, it is that time. It is that time for me to get, oh, I did not mean to put that on the bottom of my face like that. That's where I always go wrong. I tend to forget, and then okay, so this is Fit Me powder that I'm using just to get rid of some of the oil. And voila, I'm ready for my meeting. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you're on Zoom, happy Zooming. I will see you guys in the next video, and happy Vlogmas Day 2. See ya, peace.